Have you or somebody you know been looking for a townhouse style condominium? If so, I've got a great property to show you today. This particular property is literally just over 1 year new, is located on Garden Ave, which is only a 30-second commute to the Highway 403, and is in Brantford's furthest east end. This property is an end unit, offers an ensuite bath, backs onto green space, and also offers a basement walkout. If you've been looking for a property where you can literally just lock the door and head south, this is one you definitely need to check out. Come on in, I know you're going to really enjoy this tour.